Hey guys, it's Randiah from Pack Hacker, and today we're going to be taking a detailed look at the Flexo-Line Clothesline, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. So really cool that you don't need any clothespins, and it does hold your clothes in really tightly. So make sure you check out our website for the full written review. We'll leave the link down in the description below. Let's dive right in. Alright, so this thing is made out of a pretty thick braided latex, as you can see here. And then you just have like a little loop of braided nylon cord at the end. And this is what you'll use to attach it to pretty much anything. You can attach it to a tree, you can put it on a doorknob, you can put it on the towel rack in your bathroom, anywhere that you would need a clothesline to dry your clothes. So you can loop it like this. So like, let's say this is a tree or something. You'd loop it around like that to attach the one side, and for the other side, I would recommend using a carabiner. So here I just have the Night Eyes S-Beaner, but unless the other thing that you're attaching it to has a loop for you to put this around, you're gonna need a carabiner or something like that to attach it. So I would recommend using that as well. And I'll just show you how to attach the clothes onto here. So this thing stretches out pretty wide too. Okay. So basically all you do is you take your clothing and you just kind of stick it like in between the braids here. So I've just got a shirt and I'll just stick it in between the loops here. So got one there. And another one there. So no clothespins or anything like that necessary. Just stick your clothes in between the loops and it stays pretty good. The latex is pretty grippy, so the clothes don't like slide out or anything. I didn't have any issues with that. Everything stayed in quite nicely. One thing I will say is the further that you stretch it, the bigger that these sort of like spaces in between the latex get. They still will keep your clothes in pretty tight, but if you can just see here, it does leave a little bit of space, which made me a little bit uncomfortable that the clothes would fall out. They didn't, so that's good. But I found it best to like not stretch it out so far and to put it a shorter distance to make sure everything stayed in. But yeah, no clothespins or anything needed, and it has held up pretty well in the 2 weeks that we've been testing it here. So there you have it, the Flexo-Line Clothesline. Check out packhacker.com for more information and the best buying options that support the channel at no additional cost to you. Link down below, and we'll see you in the next video.